best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the trending kitchen gadgets. These products enhance efficiency, precision, and overall cooking experience. They make food preparation easier, faster, and safer, allowing for more creative and enjoyable cooking. Quality gadgets also contribute to food safety by providing better temperature control and sanitation. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Pomegranate seed extractor. With the perforated filter on the bowl, place the half into the dome with the cut part facing the filter. Tap the back of the dome with your hand at the back of a spoon. The seeds will neatly separate and fall into the bowl. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Potato masher. Ideal for mashing potatoes, baby food and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The sturdy stainless steel head efficiently crushes food into a smooth consistency. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Sprouts maker. Designed to provide perfect germination, ensuring healthy, fresh sprouts every time. Sprouts box mesh lid and optimal airflow system allow for faster, more consistent sprouting, making it a reliable and hygienic solution for growing sprouts. Made from high-quality, BPA-free glass, the sprouting jar is durable and reusable, offering long-lasting performance. It provides a safe and hygienic environment for sprouting, so you can enjoy fresh with sprout jar. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Egg cracker. Quickly and cleanly crack eggs without worrying about shells getting into your dish for a mess-free experience. Simply place the tool on the egg, crack, and open. It's that simple. No mess or fuss while preparing eggs. Small and easy to store, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen, no matter the size. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Bag clips. Feature a unique 2-in-1 design with a sealing lid, allowing you to pour contents directly from the bag without needing to remove the entire clip, providing a hassle-free experience and keeping food items fresh, and offers exceptional airtight sealing capabilities to keep your snacks, groceries, and pet food fresh for longer periods. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tongs. Made of food-grade plastic, which is safe and durable to use. Very sturdy, light and easy to grip. The non-slip handle and ergonomic design make it easy to grip. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Non-sticky silicone clip, easy to hold food such as ice, bread, meat. Easy to flip, mix, stir and boil. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Yogurt strainer. Attach the strainer on a colander. Put curd in the strainer. Leave to strain for 2 to 4 hours depending on how tight you want yogurt. You can manually press for faster straining. Pull out the strained yogurt and it's ready. It's reusable and durable. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Strainer basket. Clever design makes full use of the space in the corner of the sink. Upgraded faucet hanging filter basket filter strainer have widened the hanging opening swan sink drain basket. Ingenious design can save space. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Colander bowl. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, the plastic colander is designed to withstand daily use in the kitchen. It is free from toxins and safe for food, features precision drilled holes that allow for efficient straining of pasta, fruits, vegetables, and more, ensuring that excess liquid is easily drained away, perfect for a wide range of kitchen tasks, including washing and draining fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Chopper. Slicer is made of rust-proof and durable stainless steel which can maintain the sharpness of the blade and realize clear and smooth cutting and grinding. Food dicer features a built-in drain basket, allowing you to place washed vegetables directly into it. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Bottle organizer. Suitable for kitchen, pantry, cupboard, dining room, basement, countertop, bar or wine cellar. Its compact and stackable design allows it to be used in apartments, trailers, camper cars, cabins and other space-constrained areas. Containers placed into a shelf stays in place and does not roll around. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Digital spoon scale. Ideal for measuring food, coffee, flour, spices, supplements, and other small ingredients. Compact design makes it easy to carry and store, saving kitchen space. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Can opener. It has a strong, stainless steel cutting mechanism that opens conventional cans with ease. Then, by rotating one of the arms 360 degrees, you reveal two further tools, a ring pull lifter and a bottle cap opener, neatly hidden inside. It also saves precious storage space in your drawer. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cutting board. Features a convenient drip tray that collects juices and liquids, keeping your kitchen clean and tidy. Made from high-quality wood, ensuring durability and longevity. Smooth surface won't damage or dull your knives, ensuring precise and efficient cutting. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cutter. Sleek and compact design allows easy storage, occupying very small space, very quick to cut accurate pieces of vegetable. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Burner stand. It gathers the flames expertly for unmatched energy efficiency, acting as a potent flame shield. Choose the energy-saving cover according to the number of stove legs for best results. The modern round design of the gas saver burner stand makes it ideal for the majority of gas stoves. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tong. Ideal for flipping, turning, and gripping various food items while cooking or serving. Features a comfortable handle for easy and secure handling during cooking and serving. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Deep fry strainer. The perfect design of the long basket handle makes its essay to take out. Make sure you don't get burned. The best fry basket belongs to everyone's kitchen, regardless of cooking skills. Suitable for frying all kinds of chips, onion rings, steak. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Measuring spoon. Simply slide handle to adjust volume measurement, measures wet ingredients from 1 ml up to 15 ml, measures dry ingredients from 1/4 of a teaspoon up to 1 tablespoon. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Knife set. Ergonomic and mechanical lever-based design, focusing on providing superior cutting experiences. The team is dedicated to creating high-quality knives with exceptional sharpness, simple design, great balance and practicality. Knives are not only ideal for outdoor activities such as camping but serve as portable chef knife set for kitchen. Knives offer superior cutting performance with their comfort ring design. The ring design provides a comfortable, anti-slip grip for easy and enjoyable handling. It allows for effortless cutting, reducing strain and fatigue, provides precise cutting control, and helps to counteract the forces generated during cutting, ensuring stability. The comfort ring design combines comfort, cutting control, and stability for effortless and efficient kitchen cutting experience. Knife features an ergonomic full-tang design for improved stability and comfort. The blade is forged using a stone-washed and hammer finish treatment, making it tough, wear-resistant, and non-sticking. Proper care is required for high-carbon steel knives to prevent corrosion, but with regular maintenance, these knives will maintain their sharpness. Ergonomic full-tang handle can prevent the blade comfortable to grip and non-slip effect. The Cleaver Chef knife is a great practical, impeccable performance. The strong design with a good strength, durability. This knife is a multifunction knife, which is designed for professional applications, suitable for cutting, dicing, slicing, chopping with vegetables, fruit, meat and bone for great addition to the kitchen, camping, and outdoor experience. Product link is given in the 20th link.